King news, my lovely, wonderful people. As we dey hear the matter, so say Akpabio, Godwin Akpabio, former NDDC guy, when he chop money, not be small thing. They call say he dey position himself to become Senate president. You hear the matter now. We tell you now. If you never say abeg go Apple Line Media, you will get the full lowdown. So that guy now we dey talk so. EFCC don't cash am, and they don't cash am. And EFCC don't carry and they don't the question and the whole am. Guess who they say so Tinubu do the reject and who Tinubu do the back so make it go become the new Senate president. Now one of the new senator. Guess. Oh, you are not good at guessing. I could tell you, but you go pay me money. Okay, make I tell you, I could tell you. Now guess who? Adam Soshomole. You don't hear the matter, yes. So they say our brother Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, they put his hands together. I say, Oshobaba, he said they don't come a long way. You get me now? He says, so Oshomole will be the next Senate president. He don't back Oshomole, say, well, Oshobaba, oh yeah, let's go there. Let's serve the place together. Remember Oshomole, Oshomole now, Edo State that year, APC chairman and everything, and now we talk about. He says, so, he don't back Oshomole. They say, now Oshomole will be the new Senate president as the former one with the go now Lawa Lawa will be going as Ahmed Lawa will be going Oshomole will become and a new senator I go be say just win one of the senatorial district in Edo State Oshomole now Oshobaba Oshona so now go be new Senate president. Not be small thing dey happen so you go weak. We'll get all the details. The 10th National Assembly crisis burial as Lawa pressured Tinubu to reject Akpabio and back Oshomole as new Senate president. The Senate President Ahmed Lawa has emerged as the latest stumbling block to the emergence of former governor of Akwa Ibom State, Godwin Akpabio, as the president of the Senate of the 10th Assembly. Said Senator Akpabio is currently with EFCC trying to explain what exactly is going on with regards to his money issues. The group of senators led by the outgoing president of the Senate, Senator Ahmed Lawa, has presided and has decided that the president-elect Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu should withdraw his initial support for the minority Senate leader, Godwin Akpabio. It was learned that Tinubu's decision to withdraw his initial support for Godwin Akpabio was taken at a meeting with some senators, elected and ranking senators in Abuja on Tuesday. According to leadership, Lawa, who spoke on behalf of the group, told Tinubu that his endorsement would not translate into victory for Akpabio in the Senate. It was gathered that the senators told Tinubu and members of his inner caucus who were present at the meeting that Akpabio would be difficult to market for the seat and Akpabio will do other things. He will be very difficult and he will want to have his way. The source at the meeting said that in what appears like a threat, Lawa told the president-elect that another senator nominated by the aggrieved senators would ensure that Akpabio is not elected or given the opportunity should he insist on the choice of the former governor of Akwa Ibom State. Lawa explained to Tinubu the danger of projecting Akpabio to the Senate for election since he has been rejected by them all. The senators were reportedly angry by the management of the Niger Delta Development Commission, for which he is under EFCC investigation under the watch of Godwin Akpabio as supervising minister of the Intervention Agency for Oil-Rich Blood. The source said as soon as the president-elect returned from his foreign trip, the outgoing senator sought and secured an appointment with him. Ahmed Lawa cleared that President-elect Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu on April 25th, he called for a number of senators for the meeting, after which they exchanged pleasantries, and Ahmed explained his mission, saying he didn't want to waste further time until the president-elect, that Senator Akpabio, who is being supported for the position of the Senate President for the 10th Assembly, cannot fly the Senate. He has cases of money laundering and a lot of issues on him. He told the President-elect that no senator will vote for Akpabio, that even Senator Okpeyemi from Ekiti Central, Solomon, and others and named others from other places will not make that position. He said the only person now to be considered and looked upon that the president-elect should give his massive support is Adams Oshomole. You don't hear Ramo. So now Adams Oshomole now be the next in thing. Oshomole don't turn a celebrity. They don't vote for Ramo. Even Ahmed Lawa self don't go see when Tinubu come back from where he go. He say make say so they don't look the matter. Say where say na Oshomole na the matter reach now. Say so now Oshomole they go give the position, not be any other person, say because the people on ground right now say they know, say none of them really fit, even name on that other people say where say they thing not fit them, say but to show Baba, say according to what he talk, say that guy will be difficult to manage. Say I cannot manage him. It will be very difficult to manage. That the person that will be good for that position, as me and the talks to say now Oshobaba will play balls. It will be very, very, go deal with everybody, go ensure say things go well. So now there we wait to go keep you up to speed as the matter unfold. We go ensure say everything is done decently and in order. So at the end of the day, Nigerians, now the matter be this, so not be only the president where you vote for. Now who the president go nominate into certain position, what Shomole be, waiting up for Edo State that year. So now I won't be Senate president. And you say you go tell you feel it say go to say if Tinubu won't get any loan, you go tell Tinubu say no, not get the loan. You feel so. You say go tell Tinubu say not get a loan. Well, now some of the matters where they go on be this and why every single person we must look ground way. So now Show Baba go be the next Senate president by this very proposition and matters arising right now. You see answer. Anyway, my lovely, wonderful people, you can see all that is going on and why again and again, every single one of us must ensure we will not allow the same thing hold us back. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you too will get all our latest news. So God bless. Have a lovely and a fantastic day from us. It's bye for now.